Hello, kids. How we doing? It is Todd from ToJu Racing. It is Friday Night Racing. We got all the boys here. We got Kurt over here. He's going to help shag cars. We got Dave the Hatman. He's going to be in his Ford Torino. This one. And we got Dirty Dave Fishhead in his Mustang. And I am going to be in my Dodge Charger.
New name Todd. He's always got a new name for everybody.
I'm terrible Todd tonight. Because I farted.
Yeah. Terrible. Terrible is the word we're using.
And it smelled terrible, so there you go. All right, so anyway, 21 lap race. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. You're going down. Hold up. I'm off once. I suck. Everybody else on?
Yep.
All right. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay. We're on one.
Yeah.
No.
I'm off twice. Jesus. No fuel, guys.
Oh.
I'm just driving through the sea.
Thank you. That's 3. I left. I'm on my. What's it called?
Last round.
That's it. Sure. There's another word I'm thinking of, but
Final strike.
something like that. I'm thinking football is a word.
4th down.
No. Oh well, fuck it.
1 for me.
So that was on 1, right?
Yeah. Did I say that?
You said nothing.
No, I said that was 1 for me.
No, I meant we're going on 1. You just kind of started going. Stop, Dave.
I was just smashing him out of the way and get the
You should have stopped there.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
Oh, gee, thank you. Good weight there.
Yeah.
I did.
I did.
Well, now you're catching me because I'm in a dead spot. Look at that shit.
There we go. All right, now hold up.
No,
He's in
I'm
a
a
dead
dead
spot. He's still.
When Todd getting Todd off what? I'm not going. What's going on here? But aren't you off the track with 4 wrecks?
He's not wrecked.
Jason says hi to everyone.
Hey, Jason.
Good.
I said hello.
That was you, pal.
Yeah.
I'm off now.
Wait. Where you at?
You guys
Dave?
distracted me.
Oh, brother.
I did. I watched you guys wipe out, and then I went off the track. That's 2.
Now I am done.
Okay.
I went off 4 times, so I am out of said race. We have 4 laps left to go, and right now,
Dave with no
Yes.
wrecks.
no, you went off right here,
Oh.
Bubba.
The one. I've had one.
And you never stopped.
I did stop. I said, hey, is he
You
okay?
stopped when Dave got back on the
When you
track.
ran me off the road, then you asked me if I was okay.
He's the worst, you guys. Biggest cheater in here. Cheater McDave. It's 4. We're going to 4.
I know, but I'm just saying.
Oh, right. Okay. He never stopped. He skipped 2.
I ran him off.
4. There you go. Oh, he had 1 anyway.
Oh, did he? Okay.
Yeah. All right, everybody. So, Bayou Billy the Hat Stink won. The camera's over here, Dave.
Where?
Cheater McGavin,
Just gotta look
otherwise.
over here.
Okay. Somewhere over
There
here.
he is. There's Dave.
Cheater
I see
McGavin.
it. It's over there behind me.
He done cheated.
And won.
And won. Cheaters always win at this track. Metal, everybody.
And crime pays, kids.